everybody, Vincent St. Louis here. Hey, what I want to share with you today is how to do a Craigslist ad. The thing about Craigslist is you can do a lot of things with Craigslist, but a lot of times if you're in network marketing, you're promoting a opportunity, then you will get flagged, and Craigslist will not allow it because they want you to pay for advertising and their job listing, or they just don't like network marketers. Sometimes they just kind of flag them and block your ads. So I'm going to show you how to do a picture ad and how to create it using your WordPress blog. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my I've got a couple of blog websites. This is my Empower Network one. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and we're going to do a couple of things in this process. But first off, we need to make our picture, our image that we're going to put onto Craigslist. So what I want you to do, there's a couple of things you can do to do this. I'm going to show you in Paint. I don't like using Paint a whole lot, but some of you may not have PowerPoint, so I'm going to show you actually where to find Paint if you're like totally new. Let me click off here, let me close this, let me go back to here so I can show you the beginning. Sometimes I get carried away and forget that I may not be teaching people that understand. So you go to, let me click off here again so I can tell you what I'm doing. Okay, you go to All Programs, click it. Now I'm in Microsoft or Windows 7, so you should be close to this anyways. Go to Accessories, click on Accessories, and right in here you'll see Paint. Okay. The other thing, the way I like doing it though, is go to Programs, and I've got Microsoft Office on my computer. If you don't have it, and you've got PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, that's what I like to use to do this. I'm going to show you kind of a couple of different things with both. And first off, I need to get rid of this on here. So I'm going to create a new slide. Boom. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, the other way to do it, or what I also do, if you don't have PowerPoint, I'm going to show you just a couple of things about Paint that you can do. One is you upload your picture, and I'm going to show you the differences between the two. So I'm going to go to Downloads. I've got some artwork in here. Let's just say we're going to promote. You can promote a product, an opportunity, whatever. We're going to promote a product here, and let's just take this image right here, put it in there. Okay. Now we're going to shrink it down. Right about there. The problem with Paint, now I've got it kind of skewed here a little bit. The problem with Paint that you will realize is once you click this, see I've got a little boxes around here. Once you click off of that, you cannot click back on that image and move it again. So you've got to kind of play trial and error. It's going to take a little bit more time. And then if you wanted to add some text, you click over here on the text, you make a text box. Do you want to make money from home? Okay, and maybe a question mark there, and then you get the size you want. You up it to whatever size you want. Okay, boom. Color, you pick in here, color scheme. I'm going to show you what we're in here. I'm going to show you a color scheme that works best for creating good copy. And the number is, I'm going to do this in PowerPoint. I'm just going to show you a couple of issues with this that you're going to have to deal with. Matter of fact, we'll just pick a color on the other part of it because I'm going to go through that. But so now you've got your headline. The other problem you're going to have with Paint is I got some artwork here. Boom. That's not what I'm looking for. There we go. Some check marks. So we'll throw a check mark in there, put it where I want it because we're going to do some stuff. But once again, once you put it where you want it, you're going to have to do some trial and error and mix it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave that. I'm going to go back to PowerPoint because this is going to be a lot easier. So then we're in PowerPoint. I'm going to go to Insert, Picture, go to my Downloads where I've got the artwork, and we'll pick, I don't know if I pick a different one or the same one, but it doesn't matter really. Let's say pretty girls always work good. So we'll pick a girl on the beach, move her over here so she's looking at what we're writing, and boom. And once again, now once you click off her, now the button's gone, but you can move her later. This is what I like about using PowerPoint, is I can move and adjust everything I do. So then we come in here and we do insert text box, and we'll do here, are you ready to make money online from home? Sorry guys, I hunt and peck and I got to tell myself what I'm doing, otherwise I can't do it. I know some people are here are probably laughing at me, but this is the way I do it. So the other thing is, you know what, don't wait to be till you're perfect, just do it, just get it done. Okay, now this is where we're going to change the color. Okay, what I'm going to do is more colors, and for some reason, this is what I've learned, not from my trial and error, but from being on the internet, is there's a color that sells better and transfers better to people wanting it, and that's, I'm going to show you right here. That's in the red column, you do 78, in the green column is 34, and the blue is 34, and that creates this type of a red. And for some reason, the people that are been doing this a lot longer than I have been say that that's a good one. Now we're going to up the size, maybe go bold, and then the other thing that I want you to do in the header, you want to go to a font called Tahoma right here. For some reason that converts better. And once again, that's not from my trial and error. I've learned everything I know from somebody else that has taken the time to learn it themselves. I've always been a huge advocate that it's easier to learn from other people's mistakes than to learn from mine. Now you can move that over by the little arrows once you click on this little, so you got the star, and you can move it with the arrows. And so we'll just keep that like there for now. Let's see, we got the size. You want a big size as you can fit in there. If you got to do 2 lines to make it look good, then use 2 lines. So now we're going to go back to text box. Let's throw something in here. A couple of pointers. What are some pointers here that would maybe encourage somebody? Low start up cost. Okay, we'll do another one. Insert text box, because I want to move these around separately. So you know what? I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to go back to this, and we can do this here. Boom, boom. Let's see. Free training. Get paid daily. And once again, you can do this with any product. You can go, you know, I did one with my weight loss product where I did lose weight fast, more nutrition per calorie. You know, you can just kind of, you know, think outside the box. Think of what you're selling. With this one right here, I'm selling an opportunity. So what are some of the things that you may want to, with this opportunity? I'm going to say no. No, I don't want to say that. I want to be honest. I was going to say no selling, but it kind of is. It's a gray area. Let's say no bug friends and family. Okay, I kind of don't like that one, but I'm going to put it in there because, you know what, realistically, that's what people are concerned about. It's not whether, you know, of course, I'm going to share this with friends and family. If I believe in my business opportunity, then I'm going to. But people, you know, they just, this mindset of people that want something, you know, easy, and they will get rich quick, or they want to bug friends or stuff like that. So let's do that. 100% And once again, you can do this with any company, any product, anything you're doing. And we're going to make these just a little bit bigger. We're going to go to 20. There we go. We're going to go blog. Now, with this font, in the text, the best one that I find out that is good is Areola, or Arial, sorry. Arial, so you put that in there, you move it where you want it. Let's move it up just a little bit more. Whoops. Move that up just a little bit more to make it even with there. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to insert that check box. picture. Where did I have that checkbox? I'm going to come back to this one now. I'll show you some of the ones that I've created already. Here we go. I like that bright red checkbox. Now I can put that check mark right there. Change the size. We go copy, paste, another check mark, copy, paste, another one here, paste, paste, boom. Okay, now we're going to move this over a little bit, try to line them all up. You know, I'm not going to be perfect in this, you guys. I'm just kind of showing you guys really quick what you can do with it. Boom, there you go. You got your check marks. Now what we want to do is we need to insert another picture. Oh, not that. Insert a picture. We're going to go to get instant access, get access now. You can say get started, buy now, whatever you do. You know, I'm gonna show you real quick. Let me get this one in there, and I'm going to show you something. So instant access now. You could write, I would usually maybe write a little something here to make them want to do it, take a, action now. I want to encourage them to take some action now. We're going to move this one up a little bit because I want to insert one more picture here. Trying to work fast but not too fast so you guys don't look up and say, what the heck did he just do? Go back to downloads, artwork. There we go. What's this one say? No, we'll just take this arrow. Once again, you can find all this stuff online, all these little pictures here. So we're going to go real quick to my Facebook page. Go to home. Go to images. Check mark. There you go. Boom. You're going to get more check marks than you can shake a stick at. Let's go to girl on computer. Boom. You got girls on computers, ladies on computers, whatever you want to be. Computer on the beach. Pick your thing. Whatever you want to do. Weight loss. You can pick a thing. The only thing I want to tell you real quick is see this picture right here. Let me click on it. I'll show you. It's got a little watermark right there. Okay. Now, you don't want to take those pictures. You want to have pictures that don't have watermarks on them. That means that it's free for you to take. The other thing I want to do to show you real quick, the thing that I do, let's click on this one right here. When you copy this picture, go to full image right here, and then you right click on it, save image as. Okay, now when you save the picture in your files, you want to save it. Remember to look up here and see where it's saving it. I've downloaded so much stuff onto my computer and didn't pay attention to where I was saving it. This is the last place I saved a picture, was Inspiration Pictures, so I don't want to go there. I'm going to go to my downloads. You go to wherever you want, go to one of my files, and put it in there. There's a very important key. When you click on the save, make sure you pay attention to where the heck you're saving it. Otherwise, you're going to be looking all over the place trying to figure out where you saved that picture. So let's go back to our artwork. So now we've got our picture here. We're just going to say that this is the one we're going to do. And then, so what I want you to do is click up here to the button in PowerPoint, and you can do it different in Paint. Okay, I'm going to go to Save. Save Other Formats. And this is important once again. You want to save it. Remember where you're saving it. Okay, I'm going to go to my Downloads. I'm going to go to Capture Pages, and I'm going to call it, let's say, Test 1. Okay, Test 1 for today. And then once again, now you got to come right here before you click save, and you have to pick a picture format. Now you've got JPEG, JPEG, or PNG. I use PNG now. I don't know why, just somebody told me to use it. It's basically the new age JPEG, and so there you go. You save it in a picture format. You've got it tested. You know where it's going. It's going into that file. I'm going to save it into Capture Pages. Boom. Oh, okay, so now I was going to say every slide. No, just the current slide. So now I've got that slide saved. So we go over here to my documents, go to my downloads, Capture Pages, and where is it? There it is right there. So now we've got, that's the picture. It's basically a picture. It's not linkable or anything. It's just a picture. I'm going to show you how to turn it into a link. And maybe, I'll show you another one that I did right here. Test one presentation. So this is another one I did the other day on another file that I was teaching on for something else. You can go back here to, here's one I did, earn daily income. Here's one we did for fitness trainers and earn daily income for your fitness business. So just kind of keep, here's one with a different picture that I've created. So anyways, you get the idea. Just think outside the box, but also keep track of what you're doing that is actually producing results. What are you doing that's producing results? So now, next thing you got to do, this is going to get just a little bit technical, but not too much. What you can go into your post in your back office of any WordPress blog, any website you have. You can go, I can go to my other VincentSt.Louis.com, and here's the dashboard for that, and you'll see it looks the same as my Empower Network one. Here's a little slow. Same thing. Do post, add new. So it's the same stuff. We're just going to do it in here because this is where I want to kind of put this post. So add new post. I'm just going to call this test 1 Craigslist. Boom. So there we go. I don't want to put Craigslist on there. I want to get rid of that because I'll get some other stuff in there. I don't want to lose it. So here we go. So this is what you want to do. Make sure you're in visual. You go to, and once again, any WordPress blog, this will work. Browse. Okay, I'm going to go to capture page. Where did I put that? Here we go. Insert. Upload. Okay, here it is. Actually, that's the other picture, but it's okay. It's the same thing. We'll continue with it. There's two things you need to do in here. One is you need to click none, and you need to click full size. Make sure these two are clicked. You don't need to do anything else. Insert into post. Now here's your picture. Now what we need to do is we need to turn this picture into a link, a linkable, clickable link. And so what I want you to do is you go to, let's see, right here. I'm just going to grab my one of my links for one of my capture pages. Okay, you can pick whatever you want to do. I've sent it to my RVL website, whatever company you're with, just send it to that, and you'll be good. Once again, it's up to you, whatever you're doing, whatever you're promoting. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to click on the picture. It's not working like I'm supposed to. Let me do something real quick. Go back to visual. It's supposed to turn blue. It's not turning blue. This may still work. Clickable link. Okay, I'm going to just do that again. Okay, click on the picture. It usually turns like a shade, a shadow. You're going to get rid of this and go paste your whatever your link that you want to go to. Always click in open in new tab, update. Okay, now what you've done is now you've got an HTML code that is linked. You can see the link right here where I want to send this link to. So you turn this picture into a link. What you want to do is you want to take this whole code. You can copy, you can highlight it, or just right click on it and go down to select all. I like to use select all because that way I don't accidentally leave out one of these these characters. You need the whole thing. So select all, copy. Okay, now we're going to go to my Craigslist. Now if you've got a Craigslist account, then that's great. If you don't, then you need to get one. Now I've got Craigslist now makes you confirm your email address. This is a great thing. It's actually to protect people from pedophiles and predators and stuff like that. But you need a phone number and an email address. Now I have multiple phone numbers and multiple email addresses, so I can actually have multiple accounts with Craigslist, and I can put these posts all over the country wherever I want to go. This is right here in San Francisco Bay Area, so I like to use writing because I promote a blogging business, and then I do small business, skilled trade, because I was a contractor, so I can do a thing on, you know, ex-contractor retires with a home-based business, whatever I want to do. Or you know, I have another one that says, are you tired of working your butt off for a paycheck? You know, that I do it in there. Financial. So you can put it anywhere. I mean, you just think outside the box. I think these are all the ones that are paid ones. So, you know, think outside the box. Sometimes you will get somebody will flag you. Don't stress it. Just move on. Don't think it's a big deal. But we're going to go to small business. We're going to go to post, and it's going to make me log in. Okay. Now, the other thing you need to realize is Craigslist will only let you post 3 ads per day, but it's not really per day, it's per 24 hours. So like right now it's 10:45. If I post this ad right now at 10:45, tomorrow I cannot post another ad if if I post 3 of them. I will not be able to post another ad until 24 hours. So 10:50 I'll be able to post another ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here, we're going to click on small business, we're going to pick San Francisco, let's go to East Bay, let's go, so you can bypass and it'll kind of put it on all these, or you pick a city, and once you get if somebody clicks in this city, your ad may or may not show up. So we're just going to, for the fun of it, let's pick Concord. Boom, Concord. Now, you got to realize the reason why you want to do a picture ad is Google, Craigslist, whatever, they don't read images. They don't see it. So no matter if you write a bunch of stuff in there, then they're going to find this by their crawlers or their searches, and they may flag it or cancel out your ad saying that you need to buy a job related ad or whatever. And so you put a picture in here, and they don't realize it. So this is the only place you're going to have to change things up. So let's say this is small business. This is a picture of a girl on the beach. Let's say, are you make, whoops, I didn't make money online. Or let's say, are you ready? Are you ready to make money online? Then you click on the box, and this is where you're going to paste this code. Remember the code here. We got the picture here. You click to HTML. You click on select all. You copy this. You go to Craigslist and you paste that right in there. This coding. You don't need to understand what this is. Just know that by clicking continue, look at there. There is my ad, and it's a clickable link. So watch. Now this is why when I went back here, when I inserted the link, you want to click this box right here because you want to take them to a new window. So then we're here. Look, when I click on the link, it takes them to my capture page. It takes them to your website. It takes them wherever you want to go. And then so here's my picture. Now all I have to do is click continue. Boom, I just placed an ad on Craigslist, and it's a clickable link like this. It takes me to my sign up page, my capture page where I want to entice people to give me their contact information, fill out the form, buy my product, whatever. So this is a great way, you guys, that like I said, I've got 4 Craigslist accounts, so I can actually do 12 ads every single day. Not only can I do 12 ads, but I can also go to my account and I can renew past ads. See all these ads I've been doing here? I can renew past ads and renew them. I don't want to do that right now because I want to get my 3 ads in. So for the day before I renew the old ones, so they don't take up my new ad placement. See, once I create the picture, this is what else you want to do. You go back to your WordPress blog, and what you're going to do is you're going to save this as a draft. Okay, so let's say we're going to name this Girl on Beach, and you maybe will write in there where the link is going to so you remember. And then all you have to do, add Girl on Beach ad. Okay, and then you save it as a draft. Now I'm going to show you where you do. So you go into your all posts, And right here we have a link that's saved in a draft of Girl on Beach. I click on that. Next time I want to use the ad, go to my HTML and copy and take the whole thing. You can also go in there and you can change the link if you want to add a different link to this picture if you don't like that where that link is going, so you can adjust it all you want. So anyways, I hope that was helpful to you guys. If you don't have a blog and you want to do stuff like this and you say, man, I don't know how to start a website, well, you know what, we have one right here that's really simple. It's turnkey. We can write about anything we want to write about. You know, there was a story I wrote about of going to Sand Mountain, you know, and we can just write about stuff that we enjoy in our life, and we can do some teaching and training. We, you know, here just some stuff, different stuff of you know, different ads or different things that we want to write about, and then you can go in there and place your ads and drive traffic to your blog if you want. You can drive traffic to whatever by creating this as a linkable thing. So here's my ad. I hope this helped you guys. Go out there and prosper. Just realize that, you know what, this is not this is not going to build your business. I create a couple of leads a day. I do sign some people up for my network marketing business and for my online business every once in a while. But you know what? It takes me, realistically, when I make the ad, I mean, how long does it take me? A couple minutes. It takes me 5 minutes. I can place 3 ads, maybe update, renew a couple of them, and I'm done. I'm moving on to the other thing. But these ads are out there for 7 days, hopefully producing some people looking at it. And the better you get at creating compelling ads, pictures, then you'll be good to go. So anyways, this is Vincent St. Louis. Hope this helped you out. If you need a blogging platform, then hit me up on Facebook or email me or go find my ad or whatever. Or you can actually go to blogforcommissions.com and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a blessed and prosperous day.